So I'm here in Gurgaon और मैं एक ब्रांड है जो बहुत बार बार मैं सुन रहा हूँ, इट्स कॉन्शियन. So can you tell me a bit about this brand, how they are doing and how they are as a builder and what they have done so far as well?
Conscient is a name that somebody who has been residing in Gurgaon for last 2 decades or so would know is a brand that resonates with quality, timely construction. In fact, they have done some of the projects before time. They have created an amazing project on Dwarka Expressway. They have their talked about project on Golf Course Extension Road in Sector 58, which is by the name of Conscient Elevate. And they have done wonderful, they have even done projects prior to that. There have been multiple projects, and all have been led to, they have created very satisfied and fulfilled customers because of the facilities that they provide.
And what about this location? I really like this location, where I'm sitting right now. This is Sector 80, if I'm not wrong, right?
Yes, this is Sector 80, Gurgaon, being
Okay.
developed by HSIDC.
Okay.
It's a 200-acre township. After the success of Park 1 by Conscient, it's another big project is coming. It's underway. And as you spoke on the connectivity, I think it's a very it's quite an interesting mix and quite an interesting strategic location of the sector. You are connected through SPR, which is the Southern Peripheral Road. You are connected through the NH8,
NH8,
National
yeah.
Highway. You are connected from Dwarka Expressway. There is golf course extension connectivity, and I think that is the major of Gurgaon if you're connected through all these four locations, and within a span of like 10-15 minutes you can go from one point to another.
Okay.
So the location is unparalleled, and I think this location is actually the talk of the town for the moment.
Perfect. So my one parameter is check. For example, the location is like perfect location and the builder is good. And can you tell more about this, the construction quality and what they all use and all?
Beautiful point that you've asked. At Conscient Elevate, the construction partner was Tata Projects. At Park 1, it has been Shapurji Palonji. And in this upcoming project, there's going to be, you can now please
No, yeah,
understand.
very nice.
So they do not compromise on the level of,
Construction.
not at all. They are known for that quality and the wow factor that they create. Even Binoy is going to be on board as their for the architecture, who has done the Ferrari World in Abu Dhabi. So these are the names that you hear. The concept is so amazing. They'll be going down 3 levels of basement and openness and the beautiful clubhouse that will be around it. So yeah, I think the more you would know about it, the more you would be like, okay, this is the project I want to have my unit. And believe me when I say it is running off the shelves like anything. I am not sure. You already know the story in Gurgaon where you do not always get what you want. Money is just one criteria, but being able to get a unit in your desired project is the second one. So time is actually running out. You have to act quick, super quick to be able to
Book the unit in this.
absolutely.
Oh, perfect. So please be quick. If you're really interested over here, reach out to us and we'll help you to get your desired unit.